Hey Glam Squad, what's up? This is Dalou. Today we are back in the family room. I am going to give you a tour and letting you know where I purchased everything. On my last video, I took you to the makeover process and showed you the big reveal. Today is the day where you find out where I purchased everything. Please stay tuned. Before we get started, let me take this moment to say welcome to those of you who are here for the first time. In this channel, I share glam home decor, cleaning, and DIY videos. My dear new friends, if you are into these things, please subscribe and turn on your notification bell so they can let you know as soon as I upload a new video. And to all of you, my fellow returning Glam Squad, thanks so much for stopping by. If you have not subscribed, please take this moment to subscribe as well. I'm gonna start with the drapes. They were donated to me by this company named Nice Town. They are custom luxury drapes tailored specifically for my windows. They are triple plates in velvet in the color ivory. Let's start with the goods on these curtains. You can customize them to your liking, from the color, the heather, the fabric, the style. You can pick out anything you want. This is the first time I have custom-made drapes. I don't really know the market rate for custom-made drapes. However, Nice Town claims to have the most affordable drapes. They look and feel very luxurious. The quality seems to be great and they will last a long time. And they are totally blackout curtains. But I have to say they are heavy and they look heavy. So I don't like that much. They came with a liner, which was my option to put a liner on my curtains. I think if I remove the liner, they will be a little bit lighter, which is something I plan on doing in the future. If you choose to purchase curtains from Nice Town, it is an option that you will have as well. Also, I feel that mine are slightly too long. I like it when my curtains are touching the floor but not dragging. Other than that, I think these are fabulous curtains. The color goes really well with my rug. I can use them anywhere in my house, especially the bedrooms. Currently, the Nice Town company has a giveaway going on their website. Please check it out. Also, you can use Glam15 to save an additional 15% off throughout the entire website. Links for the giveaway, the coupon code, and the Nice Town website will be in the description box. If you are interested, please check it out. I am super grateful to Nice Town for sending me these luxury drapes. The curtain tie backs that are on the drapes are from Amazon. I have this style and I have another style. Links for everything that I purchased from Amazon will be in the description box. This beautiful work, it is so gorgeous. I purchased it from Amazon. I think it ties up everything pretty nicely. The size is a 10 by 14. It is huge, but still not big enough to my liking. Soon I will show you how I am going to remedy the situation. The Glam chairs are from Overstock. I'm gonna leave the link for them in the description box, but I'm also going to leave a link for some similar ones on Amazon because I am an Amazon affiliate. When you guys purchase from Amazon through my links, you are supporting the channel. I love these chairs. They are so gorgeous, so glam, perfect for a glam queen. These beautiful pillows are from Z Gallery. I don't have the exact link for them, but if you go on the Z Gallery website and you search for pillows, you'll find something similar. But this is what I call investment pillows, you guys. They are not the cheapest pillows, but trust me, you'll get use of them, and they are great quality. As you guys can see, I use them over and over and over in my channel, and wherever I place them, they're always so gorgeous. The gold come out a little bit more depending on where they place, and sometimes it's a little bit lighter as we're looking at them right now. I just love them. The nesting tables are from HomeSense. I bought 3 of them to make the nesting set, but I prefer them in 2. I think they look better this way, so I only leave 2. Okay, and on top of it, I have the tissue bags. The tissue bags is from Amazon. It is so gorgeous. It is functional and glam at the same time, because this is the theme of this room, functional and glam. The book at the bottom is from the dollar store, and the one on top is from Amazon, a small Coco Chanel book, super cute. The crystal is from Home Goods, and the sphere, the round thing on top of this, is from Z Gallery. I became a fan of this Sectional. You guys know when I first bought it, I wasn't sure if I was going to keep it. However, the hubby liked it so much, I've decided to keep it. Eventually, I grew to love it. My favorite thing about it is the color. Such a great color for a family room. It shows minimal stains and looks clean most of the time. But it is a nice piece in velvet. I love the design on top, and it is modern, not too big. If I want to split it into 2 sofas, I can do that. I have it for over a year and a half now, and as you can see, it looks pretty brand new. I purchased it from Wayfair. Let's talk about the pillows. This one is from Amazon. It's just the case, and these 2, I have 2 of them on each side. They are from Amazon, not Amazon, Home Goods, and this one over there is also from Home Goods. The throw is either TJ Maxx or Burlington, I think, or Tuesday Morning, I don't remember. Okay, and my goodness, this pillow is giving me life. Very expensive pillow, $100. Whenever I purchase them, I always feel like they are too expensive, but I end up loving them so much, and I got so much use out of them, so it's worth it. And in addition, the glam so much, and it's so gorgeous. The trim, I purchased them from Amazon. My husband installed them for me. It was super easy to do that. They came in pre-prime white. We painted them the color of the room. Sconces on the wall, also from Amazon. I'm using on the cabinets battery operated lights on them. And this light is from Amazon. It is a very cool light. I can tilt it to where I want it. I purchased my ottomans from Amazon. Normally they came with a big one and a small one. I did not like the look of a small one and a big one in here. I purchased 2 sets so I can have 2 big ones, and the other 2 small ones, you guys have been seeing them on my skinny console table in my upstairs hallway. On this side of the wall is where I keep one of my robot vacuums. You can get this robot on Amazon. As I mentioned, link for everything that I purchased from Amazon will be in the description box. My beautiful credenzas are also from Amazon. Everything on top of this credenza are from Amazon. including the green branches. On top of this credenza, I have my super glam jars from Inspire Me Home Decor. Links for them will be in the description box as well. The wall arts are from Home Goods. My iron fireplace panel is from Amazon. I thought it is really cool and unique. It will definitely serve as a great art piece for the wall. Guys, let me know what you think about it. The mantle is also from Amazon, and the peel and stick tile backsplash is from Amazon. This plant is from Home Goods. The chandelier is also from Amazon. I don't know if I love it, but I really like it. I did not want to have a super glam chandelier in here since I'm going to upgrade the chandeliers in the formal living room and formal dining room, and I have so many glam pieces in here. Since this is a family room, I wanted to have something that's a little bit more subtle. I think this one is doing it for me. It is not expensive at all. As I mentioned, it's on Amazon. Last but not least, we're gonna go down to the coffee tables. Oh my goodness, I love them. They are just so gorgeous, so glam. The gold is super beautiful and shiny and good quality. They look way more expensive than what I paid for them. When I bought them, they were not expensive at all. Now they are almost sold out and cost a lot more. Guys, if you like what I'm showing, you have to check me out on Instagram. So this way, as soon as I put out an item, if you like it, you can go check it out. Because now I notice things went out pretty fast. The box is from Tuesday Morning. The coasters from Home Goods. The candle, I don't really remember, either TJ Maxx or Home Goods. These books are from Amazon, Element of Style and Inspire Me Home Decor books. The flowers are from Michaels. The bowl has a very nice design. I purchased it from Home Goods. The Channel book is also from Amazon. The Hostess book from Z Gallery. The crystal candle pillars are investment pillars, although they did not cost me that much. They are from Home Goods, and the candles are also from Home Goods. The super cute pink flowers are from Michaels. They are giving me a subtle exotic vibe. The small cute vase is from Home Goods. The tray is from Burlington. And of course, you guys already know my super glam stylish bar card is from Amazon. For everything that I purchase online, the links will be in the description box. If you are interested, please check them out. Thanks for all the love and support and for stopping by today. Before you leave, hit your subscribe button and turn on your notification bell because I look forward to seeing you on the next one. I love you always. Bye-bye. Mwah.